Welcome back, everyone. A lot has been happening in the tech world since the last time we met. The CEO of OpenAI, the same company which made AI tools such as ChatGPT and DALI, Sam Altman, who was the CEO of OpenAI, was fired by the board members of OpenAI because his ideologies were against the non-profit policy of the company.
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
After that, he was, with the help of Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella, first hired in Microsoft and then he was reinstated in the CEO's position at OpenAI.
ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. हमारा लड़का है, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Once he came back as a CEO in OpenAI, he fired the entire board members who had voted to oust him.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city.
In Telangana, India, the world's first 3D printed temple has completed construction. 3D printing not only saves time, but is also beneficial in reducing the amount of waste that is generated during the time of construction. With 3D printing, it is very easy to make things fast, accurate, and it also saves time. 3D printing के साथ चीजें बनाना आसान है. क्या है?
आसान है आसान है आसान है आसान है.
At the G20 level, our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, raised the concerns for regulating AI and the need for the global South nations to regulate AI in order to contain the dark side of AI, which is technologies such as deepfake. Recently, controversies sparked in the news when a deepfake video of Rashmika Mandanna went viral, which was originally a video of a British Instagram influencer named Zara Patel. If you remember, we had made a video on deepfakes 9 months back when we had explained what exactly are deepfakes, what are its advantages, disadvantages, and how you can identify a deepfake in a video.
Now, let me explain to you how you can spot a deepfake. Yes, there are a lot of ways you can differentiate these deepfake videos from original videos. The first thing is, if you feel an extreme emotion towards a video, you must stop and do a fact check whether those videos in fact are real or a deepfake. One way to do so is to reduce the speed of the video. By doing so, you will eventually see the mask come off and you would be able to see a fake video and differentiate it from a real one.
It is a very informative video, and I would request you all to watch it and share it with your family and friends as well. I'll link the same video in the I button above. But you might be wondering whether the same content is valid today as well, because the video was made 9 months ago. So let's take this same video which is going viral for an example. In this video, the first point which I mentioned, that is feeling of extreme emotion toward the video, many people were taking this as a controversy because of the outfit, which was a swimsuit that Rashmika Mandanna can be seen wearing while entering the lift in this deepfake video. So it caused anger, which is an extreme emotion, and that was one clue where people should have stopped and fact checked whether the video is real or not. The second, which is whether mask can be seen or not if you slow down the video. So in this case, if you slow down the video, at the start of the video itself, you can see that the picture of Zara Patel is very clear. And once AI identifies the face, as I had explained in the last video, it adds the layer of Rashmika Mandanna's face to Zara Patel's face, which is clearly visible when you slow down this video. What is more surprising and scary is that now, unlike before, these deepfake softwares don't require thousands of pictures for you to be able to make a deepfake video. With just one image of each individual, you will be able to create a deepfake video of that individual, which looks something like this. Namaskar, 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 Devi और सजनों, मैं Abhishek Bachchan. Hey guys, this is RDJ this side, and hope you have a great learning session. This is RDJ signing out. Jarvis, ready to roll with the tech updates.
At your service, sir.
We're online and ready.
Let us see a practical demonstration of how these videos are created. But I would like to give a disclaimer that this demonstration is just for knowledge basis and you must not use it, or rather you must not misuse this knowledge to create malicious content or content which is not accepted by the society. In fact, you should spread this awareness so that your family members and friends know that how dangerous the deepfake technology has become. With just one photo, which can be taken from Instagram or other such websites where you upload your photos, they can create a replica of you and give you a video call. So without any further ado, let's start the video demonstration and let's go on our computer screen to see how this software works. Okay, so let us start the demonstration. For this, you basically need to open something known as Deepfake Live, which is this. This is an application which you can download online. Okay, and you need to run it. So once you run it, this can be downloaded online if you search in Chrome for Deepfake Live. You'll get the first link for GitHub. From there, you can download. Okay, once you download, just run the application. We'll be doing it live. Okay, so we'll be seeing how exactly can you convert yourself into someone else. So let's minimize this for now. Camera source, you can select driver, anything. Turn on face detector, turn on face aligner. You can give it to CPU. Obviously, if you have a graphics processor GPU, then it will be much fast and the frames won't drop. So that is one advantage that you have if you have a GPU. But since I don't, I'll just add CPU everywhere. Okay, face marker, face swap. Turn on face marker, face swap, face adjuster, face merger, stream output. Okay, now once all that is done, let us select our main cam. Yeah, this is working. It is able to detect, see, you can see live. Now we just need to select the frame, the person that we want to become. For example, if I want to select RDJ, I'll select RDJ and wait for the software to do the magic. So I'll just adjust the lighting a bit and you can see it has already started getting the output. This is the output you can see. You can try it with other people as well, like Abhishek Bachchan. And this is the software that we wanted to demo to you. And imagine how easy it is. Just with one picture, you can make yourself into somebody else. How dangerous it is. Not just that. Imagine if you were a voice artist. You would have been able to not just look like Abhishek Bachchan, you would have been able to take out his voice, which people are doing. And they're using it to fool others. So this is how it works like. Definitely if your system has a GPU, then you can select it over here. Second option you will get. And it will be much faster. So you can see how accurate it is looking when it is making Abhishek Bachchan. With this you can make videos, do live calls as well. This is the power of Deepfake Live. So yeah, that's about the demo. This is the output. You can see. And if you click on merged window, you'll be able to see. So this is the output right here. So live. Me turning into Abhishek Bachchan. That's all from my side for this video. Do share it with your friends and family to spread the awareness and be aware of such deepfake contents. Subscribe to this channel. Do like this video to let me know. Thanks and see you in the next video.
जितनी दफा सुबह को मेरी तेरे आंगन में बैठे मैंने शाम किया